Hi, I'm Chrissy Baker.
And I'm America Mergen, and we are with Keller Williams. We're currently standing in 1308 July Drive. And Chrissy, tell me a little bit about this really cool 70s vibe house.
This is an original. There is nothing like this in the greater Austin area. I mean, look at this beautiful feature.
Cool.
Yeah, this is what you are greeted with as soon as you walk through the door. We're in what maybe it's a conversation room.
I think it's a conversation room, a sunken living room. So 70s. I love to call it the conversation room.
Yeah, and then this gorgeous original Austin limestone that is so unique to this particular area. And you've got these beautiful wide plank, it looks like a white oak floor, and vaulted ceilings that just give you this really open feeling. The kitchen's just been remodeled.
Okay. Yep.
Brand new bathroom, newly remodeled bathroom.
Yep. It's
also got a hall bath and a half bath, so three bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a little over 2,400 square feet, and also this very generously sized around 0.4 acre lot. And
amazing.
It is really amazing because when you look at the photos on MLS, you'll see so much space. You could add a workshop or a she shed or
pool. That's what
pool.
I would do. Pool in Texas, or I think it'd be a great office little area on the side yard, right? You have your own entrance if you have people that are coming in to work with you. There's parking available. I mean, it's kind of a great setup.
Yeah, the key thing is that there is space here, not just at the house, but as soon as you drive into this little special neighborhood, it's called the Four Seasons neighborhood, and all of the streets are named after the months of the year.
Yeah.
You really do get the experience of space here because every house is on a very generously sized lot. So you don't feel like you're crammed on top of your neighbor here. And every single house is different.
Yeah.
All of the houses are one of a kind.
Very maintained, cared for area. It feels like a great and unique area of North Austin.
And it's conveniently located to the Samsung campus. So this is near Dessau and Breaker. Samsung is just up the ways on Parmer. As far as amenities go, there's Tech Ridge that has HEB and Gold's Gym and all kinds of stores, restaurants.
Yep.
This is a very conveniently located house, but on a very special property in a very unique neighborhood. So this is a one of a kind for sure.
It. And how can people check it out?
Oh, well, make sure that you click on the link for the MLS. We'll be hosting open houses. And certainly if you would like to arrange a private showing, just reach out to either of us.
Yeah, we'd be happy to show you.